Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm here in the Museum of the Future, the new museum in Dubai. You got to check it out, it's amazing. It's a new car, some new style of type of bike, new transportation system. Very cool Museum of the Future in Dubai. Make sure you visit if you're in Dubai. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin, my trades that I have open, my trades that I will open, and what I'm doing to build a $1 million position in Cake. Cake at the moment is giving 79% APY, meaning on $1 million, I'll be getting $790,000 a year. The reason I'm buying Cake is I think it can go back up to the $44 mark. It's Pancake Swap's decentralized token. I'm also going to show you Magic Craft's staking system that almost has 200 million MCRT now locked in the protocol. Hit the subscribe button, join 72,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button down there. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going to the technicals, and you can see that the market Cake is up a lot. Wow, Cake pumping, nice. I actually closed my $200,000 position here when Bitcoin was making its decision, and I started buying it again yesterday here, and we've already got quite a big pump. I'm going to buy a lot more, but first let's go into Bitcoin, then we'll go into Cake. So Bitcoin sitting at 39,000. It's still channeling on the 4 hourly between this channel here, between 49,000, 39,000, 50,000. Let's see if it can head up towards that 50,000. It's holding on here to this channel. Let's turn off the SMA. Let's just clear up the chart. So it's holding on to this channel. It is making an M formation though on the 4 hourly. That's not so good. If we don't get a strong bounce from here, we could be breaking and coming down to 36,000. On the 4 hourly, the moving average is trying to cross to head back up. RSI is oversold turning up, so that's bullish. Stochastic is oversold now turning up. So it's starting to look bullish on the daily, which is beautiful. Let's see on the EMA ribbons on the daily, where below the EMA ribbons, they're still turning to head down. It's trying to turn to head up. The Crypto Guru bot is fired a sell 3-4 days ago. It hasn't fired a buy yet. Bitcoin Indicator bot fired a buy a few days ago though, so they're conflicting the bots. On the 4 hourly, the RSI is oversold, turning to head up, making higher lows. It's heading up now. Stochastic is also oversold, heading up. MACD is crossing and starting to head up, so it's bullish on the 4 hourly. We're below the EMA ribbons. We're below the main area of support. 40,000 is the main area of support on the VPVR. Crypto Guru bot fired a buy a few days ago. Bitcoin Indicator bot hasn't yet fired a buy here, so it hasn't bottomed out according to the Bitcoin Indicator bot. We're below the moving averages, so they are open, but we are holding here in this channel. So as long as we hold this channel, then the target is to go back up to the 50K. If we break this channel, the next stop is the 36,600. So it's right now trying to make its decision. The volume is dropping. RSI on the hourly is oversold. Stochastic oversold. MACD is heading up. So I am going to we stay bullish unless it breaks. So I would be going long here on Bitcoin with the stop loss below this support here, 38,200, and the take profit all the way up at the 49,000. So that gives a 6.6 ratio trade. I'm risking $1,499 to make almost $10,000, which is beautiful. Risking $1,500 to make $10,000. It's a 6.7 ratio trade. So if I use 10x leverage, it's $100,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $1 million of profit. So it's really nice to be going long here. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment down below, sign up. If you sign up to these Bybit exchange, you get $4,600 US of bonuses, 8,200 sign up bonuses for both. On Bybit, 4,600 when you deposit Bitcoin. On Femex, 4,100 when you deposit Bitcoin. NordVPN if you have any country restrictions. I'm also going to be buying more Cake here because it looks bullish. So over on Bybit, I've got in here $198,177, 198,000. It's nearly all US. I bought some yesterday, CRV, which is up 6%. I bought Bitcoin, half a Bitcoin yesterday, $20,000 worth, and I've got 130,000 of USD. So I'm going to add more to my Bitcoin position. As long as it holds where we're sitting, I'm going to be buying another half a Bitcoin. So 0.5. So now I've got one full Bitcoin buy at this current price. I just bought another half a Bitcoin. So now I've got one full Bitcoin, which is beautiful. $40,000 worth of Bitcoin. I've got no longs, but I'm going to open a long right now on Bitcoin with a very tight stop loss if it breaks that support. So I'm going long. 39, where we're sitting right now, my stop loss will be at 38,200 and my take profit at 50,000. So going long where we're sitting right now, I'm going to do a $2,000 long, actually $3,000 because it's so tight stop loss. Open long, I'm opening a long on Bitcoin, confirm. I've got now a 10x long, so a $30,000 trade on Bitcoin. Take profit at 50,000, stop loss at 38,200. So I'm risking 38,000. Stop loss is at 38,200. Stop loss 38,200. Oh, that's a pretty big. So I'm risking $1,100 to make $7,000. Why is that stop loss so low? Hold on, 38,000. Yeah, that's right. That's where Bitcoin came down last time. So it could have a big drop to get to that stop loss. 38,200, and take profit is at 50,000. So I'm risking 1,100 to make 7,700. Confirm that trade is now set. That's my long on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you Cake and why I've started buying, and I'm going to stake Cake. So over here on Cake, I've been buying a lot of it. I've got now nearly $100,000 worth. On the daily, let's see if it's good to buy more. On the daily, we're looking super bullish. Look at this. The target, the all-time high is $44. We're sitting at $9.60. I started buying Cake at $5. Now it's forming an inverse head and shoulders here. We've got shoulder, head, shoulder. If it breaks the upside, that will be $14 on the target. We've got volume coming in. RSI is heading up strongly. Stochastic is heading up strongly. MACD is turning to head up. So on the daily, it's looking beautiful. On the weekly, it's looking even better. On the weekly, you can just see like how much potential. $44 is the target. RSI is very oversold, heading up on the weekly. Stochastic turning up. MACD is crossing very oversold on the weekly, so it's looking amazing. Let's look on EMA ribbons. We are above the EMA ribbons. They bounced off the EMA ribbons, Cake, so that's bullish. The Bitcoin, the crypto guru bot fired a buy back down here at, you get this in the masterclass at $8.55. And the Bitcoin indicator bot has fired a buy recently. So it's looking bullish for Cake. I'm going to be buying more Cake. The first target will be, for Cake, first target will be here at, it already hit the first target of $9.14. Next target will be up here at this resistance, $9.97. Then we get a resistance up here at $10.99. And if it breaks through there, my God, Cake can go $14, $26, and then even $44 is the overall target. So I'm going to be buying more Cake, and I'm going to stake Cake. So over on Binance, I'm going to buy more Cake. You can also buy it on Bybit. You can trade and buy Cake. So you just go there and type Cake. I'll be buying $1 million worth of Cake. So I'm going to buy over here on Binance. I've got 507,000. I've got $22,000 of Cake, which I'm going to be staking. So I'm going to buy more Cake here. So I'm going to add to my Cake position and stake it. So I'm going to be buying more Cake, and I'm going to show you how I'm staking it. So I'm going to buy, wow, Cake pumped since yesterday as well. I had an order at $8.48. I should have bought more because it's really pumping. I'm going to buy another $30,000 worth of Cake. It's really moving strong. Maybe I make a bigger position. Yes, I'm going to buy $60,000 worth of Cake. $60,000, $9.62. So I'm buying $60,000 worth of buy Cake. Confirmed. My order is set. It's filling. I'm buying $60,000 worth of Cake, and then I'm going to stake it. I'm going to show you staking now. So this is Cake staking protocol. So PancakeSwap is the biggest decentralized exchange. It's the decentralized exchange owned by Binance. You're getting 78% APY. So now I've got around, if I bought $60,000 worth and I moved 22,000, and here I've got 68,000. So I've got now $150,000 worth of Cake. I'm going to get a $1 million position, but say $150,000 worth of Cake at this APY of 79%, I'm getting $117,000 in interest per year. And if it goes back to $44, it's going to be 5 times where it's sitting right now, or 4 times. So it'll be making me, I'm going to get a $1 million position, but right now I have 150,000, so I'm getting 117,000 per year. I'm getting 9,600 a month. I'm getting 2,200 a week, and I'm getting $321 a day in interest. But I'm going to be building a $1 million position on Cake. So now I've only got like $150,000 worth, but I'm going to get a $1 million position. Then I'll be making per day $2,146 in interest. Per week, $15,000 a week. Per month, $64,000 a month. And per year, $780,000 on my $1 million. And if it goes back to $44, my $1 million will become almost $5 million. And I'll be making 70% APY on $5 million. That's $3 million, $4 million a year. So amazing potential. I'm going to stake more Cake now. I've got more in here. I've got another $22,000 confirmed. So I'm confirming it on my wallet. So staking more cake. Oh, that's okay. I'm going to be staking that. So I'm signing the order, and I just staked more cake. So that's confirmed. Now I have in here So now I just staked more cake, and in here I have now $90,000 worth staked, and I'm gonna put another $60,000 of the order that I just ordered right now. Magic Craft staking is also now live. You need to check out that. We have there's almost 2 million, 197 million MCRT staked right now. And with staking on Magic Craft, you can also stake to get items, characters, and land, and a 53% APY, but that APY will be growing. So we're going to be adding more to the APY to incentivize stakers. So that's Magic Craft right now. Also, the token price is still sitting at around 60 cents, 58 cents right now. It's down slightly today. The market cap is 3.4 million. The volume is 249,000. And this is the game that I'm building. I'm the founder of Magic Craft Play to Earn game. Let's check out if my order for cake went through on Binance. So now my order for cake is filling. I've got now, I bought it all. I bought $60,000 worth of cake. So I'm going to move that over for staking as well, which is beautiful. So that was a lot of information. This is, today I'm at this Museum of the Future. It's very cool. Check this out. They have a room with all the DNA. This is with my family. And this is all the DNA kind of thing. It's a pretty cool place. Check this out. Museum of the Future in Dubai. It's amazing. Exactly as you predicted. Can you see the future or what? This is one of the characters from Magic Craft coming to life. We hit 27,000 subscribers now on Twitter. You can go over and follow me on Twitter. This is just a lot of information that I'm showing. This is the team, some of the team from Magic Craft, our CTO, our COO, one of our smart contract developers, 6 in-house smart contract developers. So the team is just growing. This was me at the World Metaverse conference, talking about Magic Craft on stage, which is beautiful. So that was a lot of information. Thank you for watching, everyone. Now I'm going to go enjoy this the Museum of the Future with the family. Thank you all for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Join 73,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.